Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. This 5-minute ab workout will be silent, but it goes really well with the songs that will be on the screen. I do this ab workout with every single lyrical class that I teach, so let's begin with 8 ab crunches in the center, to the right and the left. We have 8 in the center, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, keep your left hand behind your head. Extend your right arm. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go to the left. Left arm extends. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Get ready to lift those legs going straight up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We have 8 slow bicycles, opposite elbow to knee, and switch for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, reverse for 8, 7, 6, 5. Get ready. We do it all again from the beginning. 3, 2, 1 in the center for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. To the left this time for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we go to the right for 8, 7, 6, 5. You got this. I know this is challenging. 3, 2. Legs go up. 4, 8, 7. Option to extend the legs. Extend the arms. Reach for your toes. And 4, 3, 2. And bicycles again for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And reverse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Get ready to put your hands underneath your seat for some leg lowers. Nice and slow. Extend the legs up. We lower down. And 2. And let's lift for 2. Again, lower down. For 2. We lift for 2. Let's do 6 more just like that. And we finished the last one. Guys, we're more than halfway there. Let's get ready for the second song, which is Dancing on My Own by Robin. We're going to start in a high plank. Hands are on the floor, toes are tucked, knees are off the floor. Once again, in this high plank, we're making sure that our belly button is reaching towards our spine and our back is nice and lengthened. We're just going to do a nice hold in this plank. Stay with me. Still there? We're going to go down to our elbows and we're going to tap our knee down and up for 8 and 7 and 6, 5. Switching knees with each tap. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we do 4 with both knees. Tap the knees down and up for 4, 3, 2, 1. We repeat that one more time, starting with the left knee. Tap it down and up for 8, 7, 6, 5. You've got this. 4. Almost there. I know this is challenging. 3 and 2 and 1. We tap both knees for 4 and 3. We're almost there, guys. 2 and 1. Beautiful. Lower down gently. Untuck the toes. Sit back. Stretch out your arms and your upper body for a second in a child's pose. And let's roll onto our seat. Grab a sip of water if you need a drink on the way there. And we're going to finish out this whole workout with 32 Russian twists. So let's go ahead and get started. Option to keep your feet on the floor or lift them off the floor. As we do these Russian twists, try not to wiggle your hips side to side. Let's begin in 3, 2, and 1. Twisting 32 times. You've got this. Last one, guys, we made it through this 5-minute ab workout. Go ahead and swing your legs behind you, tuck your toes under, send the hips up in your downward facing dog. Let's roll forward through your high plank, gently place the knees down, go onto your belly, press up into a cobra to stretch out your core. And then you can finish with whatever stretch feels good. I hope you guys enjoyed this 5-minute ab workout. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.
I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch.